Having a pleasant evening, indeed we are, even I with my cold. I've been swimming so hard to catch Sherry in her boat, and we've had a wonderful time. How about you, John?
What do you mean?
Last word. Talkative, huh?
Well, I'll talk. Johnny won't. Huh? Well, what are you going to talk about, Johnny? Huh?
Talk about the weather, I guess.
Well, let's discuss and cuss all the time. Here, Sadie, you tell them how
It made me tired watching Donna swim to get out of that water.
Who's been a-swimming? Here, Tony, you see what you could say.
Sherry and Donna is the two that've been swimming. However, this conversation about swimming and what goes on, we hope that you folks have enjoyed the evening. Now, Mother is cutting all the records. Let's see what she has to say.
Mother doesn't have anything to say. I'm just cutting.
Now, get Brother to say something.
Would Here, say hi, Daddy.
Oh, cuckoo, Mommy.
A record?
See, Mommy.
I see it. Isn't that pretty?
Now, Sherry.
Sherry, you going to tell him how you
Sherry,
swimming?
say something to Daddy.
Donna's last saved, anchored safely in the boat.
What are you looking for, Sherry? What? What'd you lose it?
Nothing.
Oh, you're not looking for anything at all? Why not? You didn't lose anything?
No.
What's that you got in your hand?
A blanket.
A blanket of what?
Can't you see?
Who gave you that blanket?
I don't know.
Who gave you that one over there?
Oh, didn't Donna give you that? Donna give you